Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mihon account is verified and logged in. This avoids permission failures. Next, open Mihon settings and enable developer or extensions mode so the platform accepts external packages. Once done, prepare the extension files, either the zip/crx package or the repository URL. You do this because Mihon blocks unsigned installs by default, and enabling developer mode lets you load trusted files directly. This is the shortest path to begin the install process without delays. You now install. Open Mihon's extensions page and choose Load Unpacked or Install from File depending on your package type, then select the folder or file. During installation, review and grant only the permissions required. If an extension requests unrelated access, cancel and inspect the package. Once installed, go into the extension settings within Mihon to set options like shortcuts, sync, and update frequency. Make sure to enable auto updates if you trust the source, so security patches arrive automatically. You finish by restarting Mihon and verifying the extension appears in the toolbar or extensions menu. This confirms registration. Next, run a quick feature test. Use the main function and watch for expected behavior, and if something fails, open the developer console to capture errors. If problems persist, disable conflicting extensions, clear cache, and reinstall the package. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see permission or load errors, toggle developer mode off then on, and re-add the extension. This often clears stale validation states.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.